Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to live stream games on YouTube. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your YouTube account. Now go ahead over to YouTube Studio. Okay, wait for it to load, and once it loads, just click on Create right here at the very top, and then click on Go Live. Wait a bit. And once that's done, you'll be able to see a copy button right here for your stream key. So just click on Copy, and it says successfully copied to clipboard. Now what you got to do next is just go ahead over to your OBS Studio, click on File, Settings, and then go ahead and go to Stream, click on Service, YouTube RTMPS, use a stream key. Okay, paste the stream key that you just copied, click on Apply, and this will load on your OBS Studio. Just click on OK and log in with your Google account right here so that you'll be able to see the chat. All right, so once that's done, to stream a game, click on Add Source. Sometimes game capture won't work on other games. Okay, you should go ahead and use display capture. Just play around with these two options. So just for example, I'm going to go ahead and use display capture. Add a new display capture. Okay, now select the display. For example, this second monitor, HP. There you go. Okay. Now go ahead and boot up your game. Let's say, for example, I have this game right here. All right. So as you may have noticed, we're in the loading screen. It is now loading. Now, what you got to do basically, right, or next is to just stream it. Okay. So go back to your OBS Studio, reopen it up, just like so. Now go ahead and click on Start Streaming. Once you click on Start Streaming, go ahead and check your OBS Studio, and you will have a data right here. Now, once that's done, click on Go Live and enjoy. That's how easy it is to live stream games on YouTube. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.